Ndinokudai, Baba. I lift my hands to you. Your love is deeper than my pain. Moyo wangu wose ndinopakwamuri. You are my peace, my resting place. Ndakafamba ndiri ndoga asima kauya. You held me close when I was weak. Every breath I take, it's because of you. Muri mwari wangu, I belong to you. Kana ndarara usiku, ndinonzwa runyararo. Your presence calms my troubled soul. Makandi bataruoko panda kanga ndarasika. You never left me for a moment. Now I see your goodness in my life. Ndinotenda Baba, you are faithful. Ndinokudai Baba, you are my everything. I will sing forever. Your love never ends. Ndinokudai Baba, you are my King. My heart belongs to you alone. Ndinokudai Jesu, I give you my life. Every tear I cry, you turned into joy. Ndinokudai Baba, forever I sing. You are my hope, you are my song. Dakachema kare asima kandinyaradza. You turn my sorrow into praise. Now I walk in freedom, I walk in grace. I am not afraid, you are with me. Even when I fall, you lift me up. Ndinodadama munyasha zenyu. Ndinokudai Baba, you are my everything. I will sing forever. Your love never ends. Ndinokudai Baba, you are my King. My heart belongs to you alone. Ndinokudai Jesu, I give you my life. Every tear I cry, you turned into joy. Ndinokudai Baba, forever I sing. You are my hope, you are my soul. I am yours forever, Lord. Nothing can take me away from you. In your arms, I find my peace. Ndinogaranemi Baba. Your love is all I need. My heart will never leave you. Ndinokudai Baba, you are my everything. I will sing forever. Your love never ends. Ndinokudai Baba, you are my King. My heart belongs to you alone. Ndinokudai Jesu, I give you my life. Every tear I cry, you turned into joy. Ndinokudai Baba, forever I sing. You are my hope, you are my song.